Influencer marketing has emerged as one of the most powerful strategies for building brand awareness in today's competitive business environment. With the rise of social media platforms, influencers have become trusted voice that can reach highly targeted audiences in ways traditional advertising often cannot. Their ability to connect authentically with followers allow brand to increase visibility, credibility, and engagement, ultimately driving growth and recognition is both established and emerging markets at its core. Influencer marketing works by leveraging the trust and authority that content creators have built with their audience. When an influencer endorses a product or a service, their followers are more likely to pay attention, remember the brand, and consider making a purchase. This type of marketing is particularly effective for finance, fintech, and business related products, where credibility and trust are critical. By partnering with influencers who have strong understanding of the industry, brands can reach highly engaged audience who are the more receptive and recommendations. One key advantage of influencer marketing is its ability to target niche audience unlike broad advertising campaigns. Influencers collaboration can highly specific, allowing brands to connect with potential customers who are most likely to be interested in their offerings. For example, a fintech company could collaborate with a personal finance influencers to educate audience about saving apps, investment platforms, and digital marketing solutions. This targeted approach not only increases brand awareness but also ensures that marketing resources are used efficiently. Influencer marketing also drives engagement and social proof, which are critical components, and brand recognition. With influencers share content, comment, or review product, it creates conversion and interaction among followers. The social media validation strengthens the brand's reputation and encourages new customers to explore it offering. User-generated content, testimonials, and influencer lead campaign amplify the effect, providing authentic touchpoints that resonate more than conventional ads. Furthermore, influencer marketing allows for measurable impact metrics such as impressions, reach, engagement rates, click-through, and conversion, provide brand with insight into how effectively the campaigns are building awareness. By analyzing this data, companies can refine their strategies, identify the most effective influencers, and maximize ROI on market efforts. In today's digital-first world, the role of influencer marketing in building brand awareness cannot be underestimated. It offers a unique combination of credibility, reach, and engagement that traditional marketing often struggles to achieve. For business in finance, marketing, and beyond, partnering with the right influencers can escalate brand recognition, foster trust, and build lasting connection with the target audience.